Come next time. What you going to do? I don't poison them.
I don't know. I don't know now. See, we have to come up with an idea that we can earn money to go to Lagos. Do you have any idea?
No, now I don't have any ideas.
Hey, see, I'm going to think about something, eh?
Think now, think.
Hey, wait now. What is wrong with you? You can't be pressuring me and think I can think at the same time, eh? You stupid. Give me a minute now.
One eternity later.
I have an idea. What is the idea? No, see, I just been thinking about this, How many goats does your papa have? My papa have 5 goats now. See, my papa has 3 goats, And I'm going to take 2 of those goats, How much are you going to take?
I think I will take 3 now.
Okay. So your 3 goats, my 2, that is 5 goats. We're going to save in time. We're going to earn money. We're going to learn lots of money that can help us to go to Lagos, We're going to go to Lagos. And we're going to be fine girls now. We're going to be big girls. Come back to, We're going to make a lot of money. Come back to the village,
Make my mama proud.
Make our mama, papa proud.
Oh shit!